right, we got a new tool that showed up here from A1 PDR Tools. So I don't think I ordered anything. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So box just showed up today. So let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see what we are looking at today. Got a lot of these guys' tools. They do a lot of collaborations with a, what is it, Anson PDR. So I've got quite a few of their tequila tool line and all that kind of stuff. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, yes. Oh, sweet. All right, make sure we don't got anything else. I think that's it. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, man. All right, they hooked us up with two different style. These are hub tools. These are Dent Reaper style tools. So this would be the, I know I'm gonna mess up this starts with an S. I feel like a complete idiot. Okay, now I'm drawing a complete blank. But basically these are the sharp and the dull version of, looks like the exact same tool or the same style kick of tool. So what an absolutely fantastic company. These are gonna come in handy for door dings. These are super strong. So let's go ahead and just see as far as, now some of you guys might be watching this going, what the heck what do you do with this? So you gotta take the Guerrilla, you have to have the Guerrilla Grip system. You actually take this handle and lock it on there. And then this gives you all the power in the world. This is actually extendable. You can actually make this handle even longer. And I've got multiple different handle attachments. They make a T-style handle that comes off on both sides, which I have that in the cart, as well as a straight inline handle, which won't really apply to this style tool, but it'll, I mean, you could use it. These are gonna be absolutely fantastic. So I appreciate it so much, A1. Love your guys' tools. These are super stout and strong. And it's nice having both versions of these because you're gonna have this one here for the lot more blunt, rounded style tip. You can wrap it in tape, obviously, as well to make it even softer. You could push with the backside or the heel of these style tools as well. And then this one here, the sharper version, well, it's just that. It's sharper. It's going to allow you to do the fine pinpoint precision pushing on here, and that's going to just allow just for all sorts of different types of dents. Plus, a nice thing here, it's nice and shaved. Both of them are really shaved and thin right here, so they're going to allow you to really get into tight areas. Let's say, for instance, you're working on a door, which would be probably one of the biggest areas. You're going to use these quarter panels, fenders, all that kind of stuff, but these are definitely door-style tools. They're going to allow you to get in right up against a brace because of the skinniness of the tool. And there is no, what do you call it? You're not compromising the strength of the tool with it being that skinny because these are stout. I'm going to be able to wrench on these with this Guerrilla Grip handle and even extend this out even longer if I need to. So absolutely. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. This is absolutely fantastic. I just finished up with this customer's car. Quite honestly, I kind of want to put a dent in it just so I can use it. So I'll pull my truck in and probably do that. So anyways, appreciate the support, guys. I really do. Thank you so much. Fantastic set of tools here. Thank you. See you guys on the next one.